We got a special unboxing, fam. Oh my god. Oh man, I'm fucking... Alright, I'm nervous, alright, because I don't know what's in here. I know what's in here, but I'm scared. Anyways, so my last video was the BK reaction, yeah? And I saved a bit of money for that. I had everything in my cart at 7:01. I had the sweater, I had the cargos, and I had the vest. All up, it was a lot of money. Like, after conversion, it was a fucking lot of money. I had everything in my cart. I went and did, like, the autofill for Google Chrome, like, my car details, and it fucking declined. Basically, I don't know how it happened. I think the bank thought it was a scam or something, and then I had to approve of that transaction, but by the time I had that approved, it was too late, and everything had sold out already, or the thing that I wanted the most was the sweater. So I missed out on that, and I was like, you know what, I'm too depressed, I'm not even gonna bother buying anything. But then, so Jacob PM'd me, right? Jacob and Cole both PM'd me, like, I've been speaking to him for a bit and saying, like, your collection was amazing, everything, like, you guys fucking nailed it. And they were like, dude, I don't even fucking need this. I just want to flex the fucking Batman. Legit. So, long story short, Jacob actually went out of his own way. Jacob and Cole, both of them were like, hey, we know you fuck with us so much, we're going to send you something. And I was like, I'm speechless, fam. So I'm going to stop rambling. I'm getting into this. And honestly, like, from the bottom of my heart, I'd like to thank them for sending something out to me. This may seem like something sponsored or whatever, but I just put up on my IG, like, the top 3 designers that I'm fucking with right now. And BK is one of them, because of the fact that it's so... Hypebeast labeled it as that it's anti-fashion because of the fact that you can wear this every day and none of it's never gonna go out of style. So that's like the good thing with BKs, and they really just, you know, it's the quality that really fucking counts. So let's get into this, fam. I'm stop rambling and shit. I just want to see what's in this, fam. And why the fuck's there 2 things in here? Did they really send me that? Nah, fam. Oh my god. By the way, if you guys are wondering, this is an Australian Open dad hat. How fucking fuego. I knew. Why? Alright, so first up, we've got the tee. And they said this to me. They're like, hey, we're going to send you a tee because they even got Verdugo.Vibes on the fucking sticker. What a bunch of sick fucks, man. This is amazing. So I was speaking to them both, and I spoke to Cole about it, and how I said on the video that the season 1 tee wasn't my liking because the neck was very like bleh. And they were like saying, bro, this new season tee is impeccable. Like, we can tell you this right now that the neck is way more improved, and the process of getting this t-shirt to where it is a fucking long process, and I'll speak about that soon. But what is this in the fucking packaging, fam? Oh my god, no. I feel bad. Like, they went out of their way and like, what the fuck? They sent me the fucking vest, bro. Oh my lord, I am so gassed. Fuck. Alright, I'm gonna go over the tee first, and I'm gonna speak about that in a second. Holy fuck. Alright, so this tee, I believe, was pigment dyed. Oh, no, sorry, pigment dyed or enzyme washed. But the thing is, though, they had it on their factory. So the place that they were making this, they had it on the roof of their factory, all the teas laid out for like 3 days to really get that dye, or actually the enzyme, to really eat at the material to get that really soft and vintage type feel. So I am fucking blown away. Oh my god, this feels fucking beautiful. Holy shit. Oh my god. Alright, so here we have the BKT in charcoal. This is the basic tee. This is fucking beautiful. Oh my lord. Now, is this supposed to be inside out? I swear it is. Is it? Like, we've got raw hems, single stitch vibes. Now, if you don't know what the single stitch wave is, there's actually a Facebook page. There's an Instagram page called Single Stitch Vintage as well, if you guys are curious about that. But Single Stitch is what they did back in the day for the vintage tees before they started going double seam or double stitch. For the double stitch, it really just ensures like stretch and mobility. But the single stitch is what really like showcases a really vintage tee. My Batman tee from 1988, I believe, or 86, has a single stitch pattern as well. And this feels fucking disgustingly nice, fam. Oh my lord. So we've got raw hem at the bottom. This is very similar to the raw hem from the sweater. We've got BK branding at the back with the bare knuckles branding here. This is I'm pretty sure this is hand stitched or hand printed, so that over time it's gonna wear off and really give that a nice frayed effect, which is pretty dope. The neckline right now, I can tell you right fucking now, it looks beautiful. It's got a nice thick, like, what's it called? What the hell? Thick elastic, but it looks super tight, so I'm super pleased with that. And the feel of this is what really does it for me. It's soft, but also has a bit of like hand to it, if you know what I mean. It's really hard to explain. And the fit of it, from what I can see right now, it's wide and it's a lot more cropped than the last season. The last season for me, I got this in the same size as my last one from the first season, and this one's a lot shorter. It's a lot wider. It just looks a lot nicer. Fuck, man. This is unbelievable. Thank you guys, man. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart, man. Honestly, this is fucking, like, legit. I'm speechless, fam. But anyways, we're going to keep going with something that I had no idea they were going to send me this. I had, like, legit, I am in awe right now. And that is the BK vest. And I can't believe they fucking really sent me this, man. Oh, man. I don't know how long this video is going to be. We're going to roll with it, man. Fuck it. Yeah. What the fuck? BK vibes in the vest. This is so sexy. Oh my god, I can go to the movies, fam, and fucking finesse my way with the amount of snacks I can put in this vest. Holy shit. So this 3D pocket system, I'm just having to suss at it at the same time. It's legit, I've never, like, I wasn't expecting this. Like, what the fuck? All mesh material, BK branding on the inside. The tees are size large, by the way, and this, from what I can see, they sent a size large as well. So actually, the material here is 100% polyester. Pocketing is 100% nylon. Zippers are UCAN, dry clean only. Bare knuckles, made in LA. And all the materials as well, they fabricated from Japan too, which is just fucking nice touch. Here we have it, the BK vest. It looks so gorgeous on camera, fam. Oh my lord. You've got that beautiful contrasting black and white stitch, which initially for the cargos I didn't like, but then it just grew on me, and just having that nice contrast and black and white really just showcases the different like element that you can implement in a fit, in that you can have that like subtle hints of white, especially in those cargos. So 3D pockets, these literally look like they fit a fucking packet of ciggies.
Winnie blues, mate. Yeah, you always suck these down long and hard, mate. Make sure to never exhale.
I don't smoke, but I'm gonna roll with it anyway. 2 pockets on the bottom, and then mesh material as well, and then this beautiful silver zip on both sides, which you can actually just fit more in this insane fucking pocket. Holy shit. So it comes on both sides too, right there. So you can stash something in there and then have it behind the pocket. What the fuck? That is, and like the quality on this zipper, man, I don't know exactly what it is. I don't know if it could be Riri or not, but yeah, man, this is fucked. This is literally fucked. BK branding on the inside right there too. Nothing on the back, but man, oh my god, this feels sexy. Fam, I'm gonna wear this every single day. Holy fuck. Yeah. Thank you, BK. I really fucking appreciate it, fam. Holy shit. I really just wanted to get a video out, and then I knew a package was coming today. I didn't know it was this. And fam, I can tell you right now, like, I couldn't be more happier. And yeah, it's really weird. I don't know. I rarely get sent shit, like, honestly. And then when they said, like, hey, we're gonna send you something just because we really loved your reaction and how genuine it was, and it was really good. Like, it was just amazing to see someone fuck with your brand that heavy to make a reaction out of it. So, especially because you guys asked for it too, man. Like, I wasn't gonna do it initially until everyone was like, hey, did you see BK2? Do a reaction, blah, blah, blah. So, at the end of the day, I appreciate them so much, and thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Thank you to everyone who watches the videos as well and subscribes. I don't thank you guys enough, and honestly, I wouldn't be here for you guys if I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you guys. So, yeah, I really appreciate it. Now that that's out of the way, the next video will be my Japan pickups because I finally got equipment for that. So I will leave you guys to it. I'll leave the BK, anything that's not sold out yet, I will leave in the description down below so you guys can check it out. I believe the vest is still available from what I believe. Tees are still available as well, and the accessories I think might be still available. But with all that being said, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.